Hi everyone, and welcome to your MSW Capstone ePortfolio tutorial. I've made this short video just to assist you to get started in working on your ePortfolio. My name is Schmidt Hanbidge, and I'm your course instructor for this milestone in your MSW degree. So let's start by ensuring that you're on the correct page. This is your, this is my screen, but your home page in Learn will have multiple courses that you can select from. The one that you're looking for is MSW Capstone FT, or if you're in the part-time program, it will say PT 2020. So once you're on that page, this is your home page, and as you can see, there are announcements here, and keep checking back often for new announcements. You also have some key features here that are quick access to timelines and checklists and syllabus. This is your content page with further instructions, and the connect page, any discussions. If you'd like assistance from your librarian, you can reach him through the discussions page. So on your home page, the quickest way to access your Pebble Pad is through Pebble Pad Plus. Click on this link, and it will take you directly to what's called your dashboard in Pebble Pad Plus, and it's just like a car where you'll have multiple places that you can access. This is the key one here in the corner where it has your name, University of Waterloo, and this is the Pebble Pad shop. There are two places in the shop. One is your resources, which are all the items that are on the shelves. You can choose any templates. Once you've created your own resources, then they move over to the asset side. So let's start off by going into your resources and seeing the options that are here. As you can see, there are multiple templates available. Just keep scrolling down. Here, this is the one you're looking for, MSW ePortfolio Workbook 2020. If you click on that, yours will just open, but because I'm the course instructor, I will have to do Edit Resource. This won't show up on yours. It's only because I'm the instructor that we see this one. But what it takes you to is your home page and a reminder to save. That's a key reminder for any of your ePortfolio work, as you need to save. So that's this button in the top left-hand corner to save every time you make a change. And as you can see, that will show up. So this is your home page. Across the top here are all the pages in your ePortfolio template. You can also click the Contents button and you'll see them listed vertically. Same buttons, just in an, I think, easier to access format. The first one that you'll be working on is your About Me page, and see you can access it either this way or here. So if we click on the words About Me, the first thing that you will do is add your name here and just start typing, and I'm not going to save it because that changes the template for everyone. You also have the option to change the banner. You can replace an image. Here are some of the choices on the left or the right hand bar. You can also add your own photos if you'd like to add them to personalize it. This is your About Me, and you can see a text box here. This is where you would start typing. You can add items in your description about your journey in social work and how you came to be at Renison in the program. You can add images or videos, papers, links, photos, assignments, and they as well need to be uploaded into your asset store, and then you can drop them into your ePortfolio. Be sure to click the Save button, and then every time you come back to reopen your Pebble Pad Plus, you will go in through here. I'm going to just leave here because we're not going to change or save any of this. Now, remember I said earlier the resources are all the templates. Once you've saved your template, it now becomes an asset that only you can edit, you can share, you can upload, but it belongs to you now. So now here are all your assets. I have multiple, but this is one here where you can then open it and it becomes your asset. So that's just a quick overview on getting started. and I encourage you to start working on it as soon as possible, and I'm happy to help with any questions that you might have. Thanks, and take care.